Hello students, welcome to GC Tech Hub CS tutorials. In today's class, we are going to discuss the second part of GoalSeek and we are going to consider one more example over here. So before we start with this example, kindly subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet. So here you can see there is a question. Kavita Verma is a final year student of BA Arts and she is planning her goals about the marks she should obtain in the forthcoming semester 4 examinations in order to achieve a distinction of 75%. Assuming that examination of each subject is of 100 marks, her marks of the previous semesters are given as under. Find out how many marks should she obtain in fourth semester to secure distinction. So we can see here the marks of 3 semesters in all the 4 subjects of Kavita Verma, and now she wants to know how much she should score in all subjects in fourth semester so that she could secure at least 75% average in all the exams. So for this purpose, what we are going to do is first we will set all these cells, empty cells to 0, just to assume that currently she has scored 0 in all in the fourth sem, because fourth sem examinations are still something in the future. They have not, she has not yet appeared in the fourth sem exams. But she wants to set goals for herself by figuring out how much she should score in the fourth sem so that she could at least attain 75% average. So for this purpose, we need to see how much weightage is given to each subject. So considering each subject, it's already given in the question that each subject is of 100 marks. That is, all the subjects are weighted equally. So hence we can simply use the average function, because we can now, one way is either we calculate the sum of all the values like this and divided by 4, which gives us the average, or we can also do it this way, multiply by 100 divided by 400, which we used to do it, but we can see that we can cancel out these two zeros, which ultimately makes it divided by 4. Or because average also means adding up all the values and dividing them by the number of values. So instead of using the sum function, we can also use the average function over here. So students, for understanding GoalSeek, it is very important that we understand how to use basic formula and functions in spreadsheet. So I have found out that she is currently scoring 59.5, which is much less than her intended goal, which is 75%. So let's use GoalSeek to figure out how much she needs to score in semester 4. So let's select this percentage, that is 59.5, then go to data, what if analysis, GoalSeek, and here let's set the cell as this, because this is the cell which contains our formula to value 75, and by changing cell, this one, that is fourth sem, and click on OK, and you can see there is a solution which Excel found out that she needs to score at least 62 marks in history in fourth sem to at least attain 75% in history throughout the course. Same way, if I need to calculate the marks, the estimated marks for semester 4 for the rest of the 3 subjects, that is political science, geography and economics, first I will be using the autofill feature to extend the formula for calculating percentage across all these cells. So just select the cell and just use the autofill handle, and so now one by one, let us use the GoalSeek function to check how much she needs to score in all the rest of the 3 subjects. So we go to data, what if analysis, GoalSeek, set the cell as this one, to value 75, and by changing cell, this one, click on OK, and it takes a while to calculate. And now, because she had already scored well in the other semesters, so in fourth semester she doesn't need to work too hard in political science. She can easily score 75 if she scores 37 marks in political science in semester 4. Same way for geography also. We select goal seek. Thus, we set this cell to value, that is 75, by changing cell, this one, and goal seek finds a solution, that is she needs to score at least 65 marks to score 75 as the average. And same way in economics also, we will be using the goal seek. So here set the cell, this one, to value 75 by changing cell, this one, and click on OK, and it finds that she needs to score 94 marks here in order to get a distinction, because in the previous 3 semesters her score was not that good. So now in the fourth semester she really needs to work very hard. So students, you can see how using goal seek you can set your target and you can figure out what you need to do in order to achieve that target. So I hope you all have understood this example. Please do practice this example at your own end, and I would also be I'll also be updating, I'll also be including the link to this spreadsheet in the description so that you can download it and you can easily practice it at your own end. So thank you all. If you have really benefited from this video, please like it, share it with others, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.